Statistics says that an average resident of California consumes 100 gallons of water per day, and the parts are sewage, State Water Project, Central Valley Project, groundwater, and finally the Colorado River. We want to take the focus on the sewage, that is 30 gallon from sewage, to provide it to 0 gallons. Now, we thought of an idea of somehow reducing this discharge in sewage. We would like to use the concept of IoT to service this idea. There are particular sources of sewage that are bathing, brushing, industrial waste, and human waste, etc. As a solution to this challenge, we would like to propose a project, Save California. Now, there are 3 aspects of our project, the 3 SMS solution. Number 1 being the crop suggestion, number 2 the crop management, and finally the crop barter system. Now, talking about crop suggestion, it takes up the efficient criterias, that is the pH, the humidity levels, the temperature, location, and soil moisture. This is an example of how our system suggests on the basis of the different parameters provided, and the outcomes is the time period required to grow on the feeded parameters. According to the data analysis, our system will decide how much water is required for that particular plant to grow. This is also known as the crop management system. Now, coming to the last system that we are going to provide, that is the barter system. It is an online management system which enlists the number of users using this particular system to offer trade between them of the different respective fresh produces. So now I will talk about the implementation of a crop suggestion. Our system is going to give us an analytic data of a particular crop, and as you can see, it will fact out all the nutritional facts of that particular crop and put it on the web page that is being displayed. And finally, the crop management, which is going to tell you what are your current crops on the system. Talking about the future ideas, the first one being a fresh indicator that uses photos of the produce and the natural aging of type of produce to indicate to a buyer or bartender how fresh the produce is or will be on arrival. A microcontroller app that is going to integrate for sensing daily data on temperature, humidity, air, quality, and further other parameters. A kids kitchen corner where kids in the family are giving lessons on healthy eating using kitchen garden produce, and then are asked to come up with new creative ideas for growing and consuming fresh produce. A cash drop value indicator also tells the kitchen farmer about some high value produce that can be grown in a part of the garden to deliver handsome returns. The final one being enhanced crop barter to include other barters, that is the manure from local kitchen gardens where dead leaves, soil and other waste can be put into composite pits, recipe barters, community barters where excess collective produce of one set of kitchen gardens in a community can be bartered with similar access of community and then divided into ratios of the contributed produce.